I'm based in the Netherlands, and I'm here with 18 Strong to help you improve in your game. And I'm gonna focus on some hip mobility because it's mobility made, and we're gonna go through a few hip mobility progressions. That's also gonna get a little bit more twist into the spine, strengthening the lower body as well. So, stand up, straight and tall, feet pointing straight forward, and you're going to come into a squatting position, taking the hand palms together and elbows onto the knees. And you're going to push the knees out with the elbows. And just really focus on getting a little bit deep breathing here. And when you're here breathing, then you can also wiggle your hips from left to right, getting into the hips, staying nice and tall with the spine. And then once you're here, you're going to reach up with the right hand, look up to your hand, and come back down. Reach up, pushing into the right knee here with the elbows, and back down. A few of those are going to strengthen and lengthen the spine, upper body as well. Still strengthening the lower body and getting really into the hips. And then once you're comfortable doing this, place your hands onto the ground, step your feet out. Straighten them and come back down and switch your weight to one side, pointing the toes up, and go to the other side, pointing the toes up. A few of those, and then you can also here engage the core and really lengthen up through the spine, look to your hand, and back down. Use your hands on the ground if you need to. We can also help this activity with a FMT that's going to help you keep the balance if you're falling backward. Reach up. Don't forget to engage your breathing, engage your core. Glutes are tight. So, I hope you're having an awesome day, and good luck!